Question number 9. This question I have taken from exercise 6.1. Let us read the question first. Write the place value of each digit of the decimals. You can see I have taken this decimal 5.17. I have to write the place value of each digit. This also, this also, this also, this. Each digit's place value I have to write. After that, also write each decimal in the expanded form. First, I have to find the place value of each digit of this decimal number. After that, after getting the place value only, I can arrange this decimal number in the expanded form. So, let us find the place value of each digit. To find the place value of each digit of this decimal, we have to put this decimal number into the decimal place value set. Put the point in the point place. Now you can see it has two decimal place. So this is 10th. We have to write this in the 10th place, and this is the second place will be in the second digit will be in the 100th place. Now this is a whole number part. This whole number part is we count as normal number, ones, tens, 100, 1000 like that. So this has only one digit, so it will be in the ones place. Now if you try to write the place value of each digit of this decimal number, you can see 7 place value will be, it is in the which place? It is in the 100th place. So the place value of this digit will be 7 into, in which place? 100 place. So 1 by 100 we have to multiply to this digit. So if we multiply 1 by 100 to this number, this 7 will be multiplied with the numerator. 7 1s are 7 and 100 will be like this, as it is how it was. Now the place value of 1, this is in which place? It is in the 10th place. So we have to write the digit into 10th means what? 1 by 10. If we multiply 1 by 10 with 1, then what will be? 1 1s are 1 and this 10 will be as it is. Now you can see the place value of this number. It is in which place? Ones. So this is not a decimal number. You can consider this number as a normal number. Usually we count as ones, tens, 100, 1000. So this is a single digit. So the place value of this digit will be 5 into 1 because it is in the ones place. You can see in the whole number part. It is a whole number. This place value of this digit we calculate normally like this. 5 1s are 5. So place value of this digit will be 5 and place value of this digit will be 1 by 10 and place value of this digit will be 7 by 10. If we arrange this decimal number in the expanded form, then we have to write the place value of this digit. First we will write the place value of this digit. You can see here the place value of 5 is 5 plus, now the place value of this digit is what? 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 plus the place value of this digit will be 7 by 100 because it is in the 100th place. You can see when we put this decimal number on the number line also, we can see 1 is in the 10th place, 7 is in the 100th place. So the expanded form of this decimal number will be. Now let us find the place value of each digit of this decimal number. First of all, what we have to do? We have to put the decimal point in the decimal point place. After that, we will put the decimal part first. You can see this number we have to write in the 10th place. This digit 7, you can see after the decimal point, you can see this is will be in the 10th place and this second digit will be in the 100th place and then third digit will be in the 1000th place. It is like this. And Now we will move to the whole number part. This is a whole number. So this we will count as normal number. You can see this is one. This will be in the ones place, and this will be in the tenth place, and this will be in the hundredth place, or will be in the hundredth place. Now, if you find the place value of each digit 62.705, first we move from the right side. The place value of this digit will be 5 into, this is in the which place? 10, 100, 1000. You can see 5 in the 1000 place. So we have to multiply 1 by 1000 to this digit. Then we will get 5 into 1 is 5, and this 1000 will be as it is. Now move to the next digit. You can see this 0 into what? 0 into, it is in the which place? 100 place. So we will multiply 1 by 100. So if you multiply, it will be 0. But for now, I am writing 0, 1s are 0 and 100 downside. Okay. Now let's move to the next digit. You can see this is in the 10th place. 10th place, then we will multiply 7 into 1 by 10. Now what will be? 7 into 1 is 7 by 10. Now this numbers, this part is whole number part. You can see this is whole number part and this is decimal part. So decimal part place value we find like this, and the whole number part we find in this way. Now this 2 is in which place? Ones place. We will multiply 1 to this number, then 1 to the 2, and this is in which place? Tens place. So we will multiply 10 to this number, then we get 10 6 is 60. The place value of this digit is 60, and the place value of this digit will be, it is in which place? Ones, tens, 100. This is in the 100 place. We will multiply 100, then the place value of this digit will be 400. Now if you will write the expanded form of this decimal number, then we'll move from this number. You can see 400 plus the place value of 6 is what? 60, plus the place value of this 2 will be 2, plus the place value of this 7 will be, it is in which place? 10th place. I have multiplied here. You can see 10th, 1 by 10 I multiplied, then I got 7 by 10, plus then the place value of this is what? I got 0 by 100, and now the last digit is 5. So the place value of this is 5 by 1000. Like this we have to arrange the decimal number in the expanded form after finding the place value of each digit. Now let us move to the next question. Question number 10. This question I have taken from exercise 6.1. Let us read the question. Write each of the following as decimals. You can see this is a mixed fraction. From this mixed fraction I have to write the decimal. How I can write this decimal? If it is like this, 14 by 100, then I can easily write decimal number with 2 place, because there is 100 in the denominator. So it would be like this. Yes or no? But you can see this number. In a mixed fraction, this number is called a whole number. So we know the whole number is always lies in a decimal number in this place before the decimal point. So this number will be surely in the whole number part, and if you convert this fraction into decimal, it will be like this. First you can write like this also, 14 by 100. After that 5 plus, you will convert this into decimal, then it will be 0.14. Now you can see this is the whole number and this is the decimal number. To add these two numbers together, the whole number also we make decimal place with decimal number with 2 decimal place, because it has also 2 decimal place. Here also you have to make 2 decimal place. Now add the decimal number with this whole number. You can see 0 plus 4 is 4, 0 plus 1 is 1. Point below we have to write point straightly. This column you cannot change here and there. So 5 plus 0 is 5. So the decimal number for this mixed fraction, it will be 5.14. As I said before, this 5 will be in the whole number part. You can see here it is. Now in this fraction also you can see this number will be in the whole number part, and this will be how? This is denominator 1000. So if you convert this 5 by 1000 to decimal number, then it will have 3 decimal place, because its denominator is 1000, but here we have only 1 digit. So 2 more digit we need. For that we will put 2 0. Now you can see 1 2 3 digit, then we will put a 0. You can see now if we convert this fraction into decimal, it will be like that, decimal number with 3 decimal place. Now with this 3 I have to add 0.005. Now if you plus these two number together, then 3.00 add 0.005. Add this, then what you will get? You can see you will get 3.005. We can do like this. This will be in the, this 3 will be in the whole number part, and this fraction if you convert, it will be 0.005. This fraction 5 by 1000 will be 0.005. You can write directly also, but I have shown this step to understand this method properly. Now let us move to the next question. Compare 2.1 and 2.056. By looking at the numbers, you must be thinking that this is greater and this is smaller. But you should not judge by looking at the number. If you will make both the decimal number with same decimal place, like this, you will see if you will put 2 zeros after this decimal place, you can see 2.1, then the value of this decimal number will not change. But I have put 20 because to make 3 decimal place, because this number also has 3 decimal place. Now you can see 2.056. Both decimal number has equal number of decimal place. 1 2 3, decimal place is 3. Here also 1 2 3. Making equal decimal place is called like decimal. So we have to make like decimal to compare any two decimal number, for add any decimal numbers, and subtract any decimal numbers. For arranging descending and ascending order also we must do this, so we can do very easily. Now you can see which one is greater among these two. First you compare the whole number part. You can see whole number part, these two are equal, so we cannot compare, so these two are equal. Now move to the decimal part. Now you can see it is, the place value of this is what? It will be 1 by 10, but the place value of this will be what? 0 by 10. Then which is greater? Obviously this is greater. So 2.1 is greater than 2.056. So we can compare easily if you make them like decimal, like this. After making like decimal, we can do comparison very easily. Here also you can see it has 1 decimal place, it has 2 decimal place, it has 3 decimal place. So normally what students do? They normally use to do like this: 8 6 9 4 1, and what they do? 0, 0, 7, 6 and 1, 9. So they used to do like this. They used to arrange decimal numbers like this, but this is the wrong way to arrange the decimal number. So I will show you. To not make mistake, always remember, first you make the decimal number into like decimal. So you can see the highest decimal place is 3 decimal place. So all the decimal number we have to make 3 decimal place. So 1.9, if we put 2 0, then it will have, now it is become now it has 3 decimal place. The next number, what is 0.76? It has 2 decimal place. If I will put 1 0, then it will become 3 decimal place. If we put 0 to the right side of any decimal number, the value of the decimal number will not change. It will be remain 1.9 only. You don't think that this is, oh, it is big. It is not. Value of this decimal number will not change. It will be remain same. Don't worry. So that you put 0. And next number, it has already 941, 3 decimal place. So now see, all the decimal number has 3 decimal place. So now it's become converted into like decimal. So after that, what we will do? We will add all the decimal number together. Plus 0.760 plus 86.941 plus. So now add all that. How we have to arrange? When you arrange any decimal number for adding and subtracting, you always keep in mind that the decimal point we have to keep in same column. So you see 1.900. In the next decimal number, you can see point you have to write first, and in the whole number part there is 0. Write in the whole number part, and in the decimal place what is there? 760. Okay, and now move to the next decimal number. Place the decimal point first and then write the whole number part, and now place the decimal part. Now add them together. See here, all the decimal point in the same column. In the answer also you have to put a decimal point in the answer. You can see now 0 plus 1 is 1, and 6 plus 4 is 10, 0, 1 here, and 16, 25, 26, 6 here, 2 will be here, and 6, 7, 8, 9. Here will be 9 and 89. Now the answer is 89.601. This is the answer. Now for subtracting decimal number also we have to make them like decimal first. You can see here is 2 decimal place, but here is 3 decimal place. First we will make them like decimal by putting 0. So what will be like decimal? It will make of this decimal number, we have to put a 0 like this, and from I have to subtract this number from 772.234. So what will be the answer? I have to subtract this from this number, so I will write this number first, 0.234 minus 16.360. You can see this. I have to subtract this decimal number, this number, from this number. So from this number I am going to subtract this decimal number. So to subtract this, we will arrange as it is. Decimal point 234, and then place the decimal point, and then whole number part, and then decimal part, like this. Now 4 minus 0 is 4, 13 minus 6 is 7, 11 minus 3 is 8. Place a point, and then here what will be 11 minus 5 is 11 minus 6 is 5. And here 6 minus 1 is 5. So what will be answer? The answer will be 55.874 kg. So this is the answer. When we subtract 16.360 from 72.234, this will be the answer.